We're being dropped off in the most remote places of Virginia. With only string and scissors and our vast knowledge, we challenge the outdoors. The first challenge we face is starvation. We must set up a snare. Using the most complicated of knots, we set up a trap for little furry animals so we can eat their flesh. This trap is designed to throw a stick at any animal crossing by. Our next challenge is to find shelter, taking sticks to form a wall. This may look easy, but it is very complicated. It will do for now, but waking up here can be very disorientating. After much time and effort, we have finished our house. These are one of the most dangerous creatures, the prairie dogs. They will stop at nothing to catch you. This prairie dog seems to be following us. We must travel on foot. You don't want to mess with those. Those are wild moose caves. We have chosen our clothing to best blend into the environment. You might get hungry on the way. Pine cones will suffice. They're nearby. We've come across some whitewater rapids. They can be extremely dangerous. We must be careful. But this is also fresh and very, very clean water. We're being stalked. We must get to high ground. We're safe from the vicious prairie dog. As you can see, we're no match for this vicious nature. We're forced to go back. Our bridge seems to be broken. We are trapped.